What's up, everybody? All right, now that I got a little time, because I'm en route to the next job, I'm about 4 minutes away, the GPS says, and I encountered this. Our tax dollars at work. It's like they're repairing the road or something here. But what I wanted to talk about real quick is allowing, time for you to get to your next job. Very important. I'm still 30 minutes early, but this little delay here, along with the cushion that we have, gives us, the leeway to be 5 minutes behind, 10 minutes behind, or whatever, and we still are on time. So at any rate, give yourself a threshold. We do 2-hour windows. We always say between 8 and 10, or 10 to 12, and then 12 to 2, because then that way it allows you to take a break, use the restroom, grab you some nourishment for your body, so that you can keep doing this. Because you ain't no good if you ain't here. So you got to feed your soul, feed your body, so you can continue to be the best power washing pro you could possibly be. At any rate, I just wanted to share that with you all while it was on my mind. Power Washing Chronicles GA. Talk to you soon. Subscribe.